Hey, we got a flag up here at Harper Liquorland. Let's go inside and see what Sammy has for us today. There. Still have the Mammoths. That's the Jack Single Barrel, the Mammoth over here. And he just got in about a week ago. Here goes the Booker's on top. We got the Penelope X Project right here. Penelope Toasted. We got the honey from Detroit City Bourbon here in Detroit. These are just some of the picks. You got the Yellowstone sitting here too. Collection. What is that? Yeah, 57, 115 proof. Bad. $64. Anyway, let's go back and see what he's got back here. We got the Extra Brooks, Iron Fish, some more Extra Brooks, Detroit City, Murs Rum, Old Elk, Elijah Craig. What else we got? We got Proclamation. We did get some, yeah, there they go. There goes the rest of the Elijah Craigs. But what I noticed is, well, this is what he just got in, is the Evans Williams. $1 per bottle sold annually is donated to Veterans Nonprofit Organization. And they did have cash shirt. I was gonna look for Clyde Mays, Mammoth again. You got the Old Forester over there, right there. New watered bottles, Old Forester, Watershed Bourbon, Devil's River. That Devil's River wasn't bad. I tried that. That was pretty good. Oh wow, he's got a bunch of Penelope Toasted still sitting here. Oak and Eden, Jefferson Ocean, there's some more rye, sorry. I've been back here in a while to see what he's got on these things. Woodford Reserve, Whiskey War. Whiskey War is 120 proof, I believe. Yeah. 59. 120 proof, and it only tastes like it's maybe 90. That's how good that stuff is. Backburn, Ironfish, Knob Creek, Stellum, Rendition. Anyways, we're gonna run around here and see what Sammy might have for us sitting around here, but we'll have to take and check it out and see what he's got. But truck ain't here yet. Anyways, happy sipping. Just want to give you a little idea of what they got in here. It's like they got plenty of stuff back there. There's their scotch. Here's their bourbon, whiskey, rum, gin, tequila. Here goes some more bourbon. Anyways, happy sipping.